everyone, welcome back to our eBay flips. So for today, we got a total of 17 eBay flips, 15 coming from eBay OA and then 2 coming from eBay RA. So let's check some of the deals. Starting off with John Lewis, this deal, Lego deal that you could buy for 33 pounds and sell for 67 pounds. Another one is this concert in the plaza Lego toy with that you could buy for 35 pounds and sell it for 70 pounds. So there you go, double the prices of our deals today. So check out the rest of the items that we got for you guys from these websites. You could earn big profit and ROI from them. So if you're interested to earn free extra money, we got you some options, review giveaways, affiliate income, bounty bonus, and job opportunities. So if you're interested, feel free to check these channels out. A bot-operated channel that we got for you is this price drop monitoring, wherein you could see all the latest deals and price drop from these websites, starting from 30% up to 80% price drop. There you go, a lot of options that you should check. Another bot-operated channel is this Amazon to eBay, wherein if you're into flipping, feel free to check these channels out. You could see all the latest price drops and deals from Amazon that you could sell or flip to your eBay stores. There you go. And lastly, our general community, which you could use to interact, chat, and communicate with one another, so don't hesitate to use it and share your achievements with. That would be all for recap today. I hope you guys have a very nice day. Bye, everyone!